Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials.
Today, I am going to show you how to create vector wall of flat television screens, multi-screen monitors in Adobe Illustrator. Please watch entire tutorial. Draw a horizontal box shape using with rectangle tool. Stroke weight 6 point. Select shape and drag with the Alt key for duplicate shape. Ctrl D for repeat duplicate shape. Select shapes and apply graded fill color. Gradient panel. Ctrl F9. R0 G113 B188. R27 G20 B100. You can draw gradient fill color using with gradient tool. Shortcut G. Click on reverse gradient. Angle minus 111.8 degree. Group Ctrl G. Copy Ctrl C and paste in front Ctrl F. Move shape to bottom for reflections. Select shape and right click and transform and reflect. Select horizontal. Select shape and go to object menu and envelope distort and make with walk. Alt Shift Ctrl W. Style arc lower. Select horizontal. Bend minus 15%. Select shape and go to object menu and expand. Select object and fill. Again go to object menu and envelope distort and make with walk. Alt Shift Ctrl W. Style arc upper. Select horizontal. Bend minus 15%. Again go to object menu and envelope distort and make with walk. Alt Shift Ctrl W. Style arc. Select horizontal. Bend 15%. Transparency panel. Shift Ctrl F10. Select shape and double click to create and edit opacity mask in transparency panel. Draw a horizontal box shape. Apply gradient fill. Left side gradient slider color R0 G0 B0 black. Right side gradient slider color R255 G255 B255 white. Angle 90 degree. Draw gradient in reverse using with gradient tool. Opacity 50%. You can make separate editing opacity mask and adjust shape size for reflections. Select shape and drag with Alt key for duplicate shape. Click to stop edit opacity mask. Finally, your vector wall of flat television screens is now ready. Please follow steps and it's easy way to create vector wall of flat TV screens design in Adobe Illustrator.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.